Good morning, folks. Hope you all having a great week. We're not doing too bad. There's no snow. We had a major rainstorm again the weekend. And what little snow we had, it's all gone, and yeah, not all that great. Anyhow, we're back into the Spark Fly Forge. And we're going to make a latch for this door here now. Got the hinges all put on. Last video seen, I've done a couple more. So we're going to put a latch there now to keep the door closed. Got these files net on sale the other day for, I don't know, $8 or something. Got some small ones there and this and that, so yeah. Yeah guys, hope you tag along and like the video. Okay, we got this 2-inch flat bar here now by 1/8. I'm going to clip this one there is 1.5 inches, that one there is 1.25 inches. One side the laps, and we're going to use this piece of old iron steel I got slapped around. And this is going to be sort of a swivel lock on it, a latch on it, sorry. There'll be no lock, but it's okay. And we'll get this here cut off now, and then we'll get to the forge. The edges off of these. Drawing this arrow. There we go. We got our 4 parts done. Set for forging now. This one here is hot, so I can't touch it. But this here is going down sort of like this, as you can see. Anyhow, let that cool off there now, and yeah, should be all right. Anyhow, we'll get back to you now in with an hour or so now, which is only going to take like couple seconds for you guys. Folks, getting closer now. This one here is for the rivet for these two pieces here together. And this one here is all pretty well done. Now this has got to be chopped off, say about right here. Drill the hole through this so that make the latch there. And cut off there. Yeah, so we're going to put this one there together there now and see how that one ends up. We'll get back to you. And this will loosen up now as I when I put some beeswax and that on it. Yeah. Well, here we go, folks. It's my little latch for the door. Yeah, should be alright. Needs a little bit of a little bit hard there, but he'll come now when I put beeswax on there. Little curl there for the handle. Not a real good one, but it'll do. Like I said, now this is not a how-to video. If you want to see one made like this, go to Black Bear Forge. Awesome guy he is. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw this in the forge for a few minutes, heat it up, give some beeswax or paste wax or something on it, and stick it on the door. And we'll get back to you shortly. There we go, folks. This is finished up there now. Put a couple little marks on them just to decorate a bit. Yeah, I put some paste wax on, so you do move pretty good there now. Yeah, it's only a small latch, so we're gonna put this on the cover now and have another look at it. There we go. Have a look at it. It's on the cabinet there. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Perhaps I could have come up there not a little bit on this one, but it'll stay. Yeah. This project for today. And next one will be an handle. We'll stick an handle there somewhere. And that's for another day. Okay guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe and all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.